Hello. Hi everyone, you are back on the national channel. Yesterday I was with everyone who could create fan pages from individual nicks, so we can actually build real pages. Then today, I will try out those real pages and videos. The real one I downloaded. Let us all test these features together. We're going to go to the marketing page. Yesterday we created a page, and we'll push the page administrator to a main nick. So now we're going to get to the part. In viral marketing, we will choose to post reel on this Facebook. Here I have filtered out these. Child this account. It has about 6 pages. I'm going to run about 6 tests now. Now I'm going to have a look at them. Of course we need a video. So let's go to the section with this video. Here's the video directory. I'll point to a folder with video. Remember to create a folder. Create a folder, then select the whole folder. This description file we will use. This page button. Here we can be 2. Phone number, or we'll put a link here. I will put it on my laptop for example. I'm here to get the hashtag. For example, we might be able to my channel, for example. At the end of the list, we've got this description. So now we're going to save this. Then we will select and allow catching to avoid, because I have very little here. The videos I'm testing. If people were more professional, we'll have more videos, and we can be the same across platforms. So now I'm going to run it for everyone to see. What next? Does it have a page profile? It will open, and those that don't will automatically shut off. Everyone is watching. Oh my gosh, our video has been uploaded. That people see hip. The video has also been uploaded. Here, I have a BA account, but it's holding 2 pages per account. Here you can see this at the bottom of this LED. Should be when it can't open all 6 nicks. It's going to be, well, what accounts? Whatever pages it should be. Exchange in turn. For example, it's me. Page number 1, it works. Then it moves back to you. Page 2, let it go. It should be noted that The number of accounts is equal to the number of accounts that it holds with this page. For example, a page that holds 10. I have an account with 10 pages. It has to be 110. Not that we will open 10 streams. Why is? I always explain why we can't be. There are 10 pages. But why when you run, it only runs one stream? It's a nick that holds 10 pages. So if people notice this, it's not error that it is one that is absolutely. It's just random. It's the algorithm. Facebook, because an account has a page, it can't be posted continuously. And it's impossible to start 2 pages at the same time when people can try it. This tour is on the page. Very smooth. So you can build this page and rep this. A tomorrow video, I will guide people how to do 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐶𝐫. Download videos on these other platforms. These are a YouTube on TikTok. This is a downwin on all platforms. So that we can get more content to post on this fan page, everyone. Today's fan page is just a test. Let's try it out for everyone to follow. Please allow me to end this video here. If people see it makes sense that people can buy software. I will support installation from A to Z for everybody. Remember to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. Little